the security land or cybersecurity land. Let's look at cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency is a digital money used to buy goods using strong encryption techniques, online transactions. Banks, government, and even companies like AT&T very aware of it, jumping on currency bandwagon. Cryptocurrency owners keep their money in the virtual world. When a transaction between owner of two digital wallets, the owners of two digital wallets, the recording of the is decentralized. The recording of details in a decentralized electronic takes place. This means carried out and self-managed, no interference from third parties such as central banks, government. Special computers collect data about the latest crypto transactions every 10 minutes, turning them into puzzles. Verification of these transactions go through a technical and highly complex process. This step typically involves an army of miners who work to solve mathematical puzzles and authenticate transactions. Once verified, the ledger is updated, electronically copied, created worldwide in the blockchain effectively. Now, still in the crypto world, hijacking is an emerging threat that hides a user's computer, mobile phone, tablet, laptop, or in the machine's resources without the user's consent. Many victims of cryptojacking didn't even know they'd been hacked. Thank you for joining us in this module. Look forward to learning more.